Hi, I'm Naomi Sijuntila, but you can call me Navi. I'm 20 years old and currently a third year college student studying Bachelor of Science in Information System. I'm originally from the island of Sibuyan, Kahigutan, Romblon, but right now I'm based in Kalayaan, Laguna for good. As an IS professional, I see myself as someone who bridged the gap between technology and business needs. As I continue to grow in this field, I'm excited to keep growing, face new challenges, and contribute to using technology in smarter, more strategic ways.